Day 2 of trying to find toxic kids before 200 subs. Easton, act like a noob. Act like a noob.
Bro, wait. Hey.
I got him 20, 22. Dude, how did you die?
Fingers are so good.
Bro, no.
So good.
Yeah, they're probably better than us.
Yeah.
Also, guys, we're pretending we haven't played in months so that,
Round starting.
Bro, we gotta lock in for a... Going 66, almost 67. Whoa, someone text me.
Dead.
Yo, guys, when they hit 3 rounds, when they hit 3 rounds, then you lock in. Dude, you guys are too good. Got 114. Bro, this guy's too good, bro. He's actually... Bro, you weren't supposed to get him. Bro, you guys are good. We're about to make the craziest comeback ever. We have to not lose, bro. Bro, I can't shoot them. Die on purpose. Bro, where are they, bro? Front him. He's too good. Bro, he's my teammate one shot. Oh, I was one. Oh, man. Bro, imagine you guys win 5. Hey, let's let them win one more round and then lock in. Bro. Got him.
Oh, I killed my and I died.
No.
Let's go, man.
No, we're dead. We don't even have a win streak.
Round starting.
We're gonna lose against noobs, yeah? Got him.
No, I died.
Bro, that was my first headshot in so long.
Bro, headshot me last.
Round starting.
Found him?
They're going. Oh my
Got him?
gosh. I'm dead.
Got him 74. He's one shot, yeah. Bro, we made it. We're making a big comeback, bro. We're making the biggest comeback ever. This is sudden death, boys. Whether we win it or not.
Anyone tell me? One's up low. One's up then low. Brown monkey's low. With nothing on it.
Got him. Let's go.
Hey, GG's.
GG's.
GG's, bro. Yeah.
Like and subscribe. See you on part 3.